So good afternoon all. So today this topic is little bit of deviation of your training program. It is about a mobile app, a intelligent mobile app you can say, which is developed at ISRI, and the name of this mobile app is AIDIS, Artificial Intelligence Based Disease Identification Systems for Crops. I have written it wrong. So what is AIDIS? First of all, we are presenting this app because of some sort of sensitizing of this app, and it will also help vice versa. It will also help you to give it to the farmers associated with you, as well as to the scholars, as well as the extension workers, to identify the disease at field condition. So what is AIDIS? AIDIS is, as I said, Artificial Intelligence Based Disease Identification System for Crops. It is a Android based mobile app, although we are working on making it iOS based. Hopefully it will take another 6 to 8 months to launch the iOS based AIDIS. So this mobile app was developed under NHEP project, but the concept was conceived in 2019 under one NSA project called Artificial Intelligence Based Mobile App for Identification and Advisory of Maize Disease and Insect Pest, where we have what we have done. We have basically worked with only 3 diseases of maize as well as 3 insect pests of maize, and this was the NSA project was a collaborative project, and it was collaborated with Indian Institute of Maize Research, Ludhiana. So after simultaneously what happened, the NHEP came, and one of the activities under this NHEP component 2 was to create a national level image database to store the plant protection images, like the disease infected part of the plant, as well as the insects, as well as the damaged part of by the insect. So presently this AIDIS app is deployed at KrishiMech, and it provides can say the real time advisory. You need to log in into AIDIS, upload the image and just click the identify button to identify the disease. So the AIDIS mobile app basically backed by this database called National Image Base for Plant Protection. Presently, we are collaborated with 12 institutes, some of the ICAR Institute, some technological partners are also there in case of NSA project, as well as now, and some of the state agriculture universities. So basically, state agricultural universities provide us the images from their field. The image may be from the natural occurrence, as well as some of the experimentation done, some inoculation done, some disease for some diseases. So they have collected around, you can say, 4.5 lakh images, where half of the images are the disease infected part of the plant. It may be leaf, it may be stem, it may be other part too, it may be fruit, and half of the images are the insect pest. So when I'm talking about the insect pest, it also includes the insect itself as well as the damage symptom itself. So these 4.5 lakh images also contain like around 30% of the images are the healthy images of the plant. Okay, so this is the whole life cycle of AIDIS app. Let me select a pointer. So this is the NIBPP app. From using that NIBPP, we have collected data from all over India, and then we have stored that data, and some of the image pre-processing had to be done, like resizing, rotation, annotations, normalization, and scaling. These are some of the pre-processing tasks which has been done. Then we have designed and developed several deep learning models, and that model is deployed in our NVIDIA VGX server. So after the deployment, this is one part of the work. Another part is simultaneously we have developed the front end, that is this app, that is CIDs. So what we are taking, we are we are using this app, and through this app we are basically hitting to the server where the model is deployed. So what you need to do, just you need to go to the Play Store and need to type. You can also install it now. Presently we have around 9,000 users. We are basically targeting a lot of farmers, and we are basically trying to communicate with the KVKs so that it can go into the farmer field. So you need to install the app, and then just to upload the image, then you need to identify, click the identify button, then you will get the advisory as well as the identified diseases. On the basis of identified diseases, you will get the advisory. So these are the basic features of AIDs. AIDs basically enabled you to identify the diseases within a fraction of a second, and we also provide several other facilities to this. One is the expert consultation through the video chat as well as the text chat, and there is options of reporting any diseases which is occurring in your geolocation or geographical area. So there are mainly four modules. One is your login module, the basic module. Another is your the identification module. This is the heart of this AID's mobile app, where you can take photo using this mobile app, as well as you can also upload from your gallery, and then you need to just click the identify button, and it will automatically identify the disease as well as some of the basic information which are already in the database, and it will trigger and retrieve at the time of the identification. The third module is the expert forum. This expert forum is important because although our mobile app is growing day by day, but it is not covering all the diseases. Suppose our app is not able to identify some diseases, so we are providing the facility to contact with the actual expert. So you can communicate with the expert in both the ways, through video calling as well as the chatting. Through chatting, you can also upload the disease images in your AID's app. So kind of chatting facility is there and video calling facility is there, so that farmer can get the real-time benefit, real-time identifications of the diseases. Another part is the reporting part. Suppose the reporting part is suppose from a particular geolocation, a particular disease is occurring many times. It may be indicated through this mobile app, and then from the admin level, we can generate the report where most of the report is like occurring for a particular disease. On the basis of that, some policy level decision the higher ups can take. So this is the login module for AID's app. There are several privileges. That means there are several accounts. One is extension worker accounts, and we are also opening for this farmer domain expert account. Domain expert means suppose this mobile app video calling facilities are there. One may be login as a farmer or the extension worker or the end user, and another person may be login as the expert. So this expert is selected from different agriculture university, as well as you can select from the KVK, so that they can the actual expert can communicate with the farmers. Another account is there, that is called the administrative account. So that administrative account basically linked with the NIBPPF, what I have mentioned previously. This administrative account can control which crop is to shown to AI disk user or not. So we can control that. That control panel is there in NIBPP app. So this is the interfaces of the login module. And here what I have told, that here this after login, if you click on the identification button, then you will get this interface. That is, you can take photos and you can open gallery. Both way you can upload the photo to our server. After uploading, after selecting the photo, you can click on the identify button, and after clicking into the identification button, you will get the result of identified images, as well as you will get the additional information, which is the symptom, which causal organism, where is the prevalence, and what is the remedy you can take. So this is the reporting module. Every end user can report any disease in AI disk app. The app will automatically capture the location of a particular user, and it will map that this disease is occurring beyond the threshold level in a particular area. So this is the expert module, expert forum, where user can query, and expert user real-time chat can happen. And I have told how video call facility can be also be done here. So this is the workflow of AI disk app, where extension worker or farmer can log in or registration or login. Then they select the identification tab and select the crop. Here we are considering that we will provide a list of crop, and farmer knows which crop is to be selected, and then farmer can upload or take photo from gallery and ultimately get results. If not, he can communicate with the expert through expert forum and ask the question. So this is the technology. For there, you can say there are 4 parts of this. One is app development, the front end, Android based mobile app, that is AI disk. That app development is done through Java, Android SDK, and Microsoft SQL Server. And for programming, we are using Python and above, you can say. And for packages, we have used TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Now we are also using PyTorch for object detection. So several packages has been used here, and model training and deployment is done in a state of the art. We can consider this as a state of the art, that is NVIDIA GPU server. Presently we have also procured NVIDIA A100, which is a very giant machine. And previously the deep learning model was taking around 1.5 days, but presently it is taking around 2 hours, 3 hours, and so. So it is a huge leap, you can say. So in the developmental journey, what we have faced here, one main issue with like all over the world is for any of the AI tasks is the data. So what we have done, we have done a data collection, curation, validation system, that is NIBPP. So that NIBPP, and we have also collaborated with domain expert, and we have employed manpower. Employed manpower means we have employed 2 manpower for each university only to collect the images. They were focused to only to collect the images. That's why we have collected around 4.5 lakhs in around 2.5 years. So another challenges was there. The AI based any of the AI based system requires a high computation power. So ISRI has ultimately like DGXA 100 ISRI has procured. We have experimented a lot number of models, but presently we are basically deployed 19 best model to AI. So that is the challenges and how we have mitigated with that challenge. So here for a
Sir, I want to know. Hello.
Yes,
I
sir.
just want to know whether the image analysis was done before that development of this software.
Sir, image analysis is a huge term, sir.
Yeah?
What you basically wanted to mean, if you elaborate, I can address.
No, actually, for any DSS purpose, suppose if you want to test any disease or pest infection, you have to
Yes.
generate data through the image analysis.
Yes, yes. So basically, what we have done,
Yeah.
we have developed one system called NIBP, National Image Base for Plant Protection. So we have collaborated with 11 agricultural university as well as some of the ICAR institute. So what they have done, we have provided the manpower, 2 manpower for each institute, and they have collect only through the mobile. We have also provided the handset to them. So what we got mobile captured images, which is definitely on a natural background, and some of the images is from the DSLR. So in that case, after getting the images crop wise as well as the disease wise, suppose for maize, the MLB, BLSB, and the other maize diseases, what we got a separate folder. After that, we have uploaded that all the images in our DJ server, and we have ran the model. Before running, we have done several pre-processing into the image. So that for going any deep learning modeling, so we have done like resizing, several augmentations and illumination changes and all we have done. So after that, we have developed the deep learning model. So
it means image analysis was done. Image.
Of course, sir. Of course. Suppose we are designing any convolution neural network, deep neural network. So what convolution deep neural network do? Basically, it takes images and it basically impose the convolution operation as well as several other operations, with several hyperparameters and all, and goes through the deep layer of the artificial neural network, and ultimately it extract the features automatically. That is the beauty of the deep learning. We need not to do the handcrafted feature extraction. It will automatically extract the features as well as ultimately it will classify a particular disease. So suppose for 3 diseases are there, it will after training, if we are giving the testing images of a particular disease, it will automatically classify that to a particular disease of that 3. So hope I have addressed your
okay, fine. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So this is the core part of this journey was the model development part. As I said, that we have experimented a large number of deep learning model for AI disk purpose. Some of the state of the art, like Google Net, Efficient Net, was the base of our disease identification model, and some of the pre-trained model we have also used, like VGGNet, Inception Net, SenseNet, and presently we are using yellow V5, as well as we have started using yellow V8 to identify the object in the images. So it basically we are also working with livestock disease classification. There we are also using the object detection concept, as well as we are using of this object detection concept in the insect pest detection. So one of the experiment I have included here to give the glimpses how we are basically trying to classify. Here, what we have done, we have collected around 600 healthy leaf images of maize, then MLB, TLB, DLSB, three diseases of the maize of this amount. And then every original images is augmented. Augmented means you can say the pre-processing, as well as we are basically increasing the number of images to make it some kind of balance between the classes, so that bias can be reduced in the model. So ultimately, after augmentation, we got this much of images, and this is the architecture of the model, and this is also included the result that we have classified these three diseases of the maize with healthy diseases around 91 to 99% of accuracy. So this is another experiment. As I said, that several experiment has done. This is basically containing several classes rather than others. So we have also used some pre-trained model, state of the art. That is, this is a net inception V3, ResNet 50 inception, ResNet V2, and we got some testing and training activity. So this is a little different in terms of the AI experiment, where what we have done, we have basically used 2527 images of fall armyworm, and what we have done, we have make training data using Remo tool, where we have annotated, basically handcrafted. Suppose this is the image and we have handcrafted here like this is fall armyworm, and other part is not fall armyworm. So basically, principally what will go, this part, these features here will go to the machine and tell this is the features of fall armyworm, and we will get fall armyworm in this kind of the background. So we have this is basically this object detection technique, basically two part. One is classification, and secondly the where is the object. Suppose this is the image, and these image need to be classified first. Yes, this is fall armyworm, and next question is where it is, and then it will identify the exact positions of fall armyworm. And okay, we have also got good result to identify the fall armyworm. And then presently we are using the yellow model, which is, we can say, the state of the art. Here we have used the yellow V5 small network around 5,800 images, where we have annotated. After annotation, it will be increased in number, and then we have got around 0.5 mean average precision. So this is another example of that is wheat experiment, where this is basically Dr. Sapna's work, and where we have developed a data set called Wheat Trust 21, and here you can say the model was inspired from the efficient net, and then here we got excellent 99.35% accuracy. So this is the tool. This is basically deployed at ISRI data center itself presently, and this is the NVIDIA GPS DGX server. We are using the Ubuntu and operating system, and graphics GPU is Tesla V100, and Presently, we have procured the DJXA 100, and for programming purpose, we have used PyTorch, Jupyter Notebook, and Python. So this is the key features of AID's mobile app. That is the automatic identification of the disease. Excel forum is also there, I have discussed, and we are also giving the advisory related to the crop protection, and we can also report which diseases crossing the economic threshold level. So this is a you can say a premier office type in ICAR system, and we are also very keen to develop it for all the crops or all the major crops in Indian agriculture. Presently, these 19 crops are there, and some of them are in pipeline. Thank you. Okay. Any questions?
So, sir, any insect disease occurrence is there. There is also a component of the economics means consideration whether to apply a mitigation approach or not. So, just because there is some symptom on few plants, whether the decision is based on that or the economic seriousness of that particular disease or pest is also taken into consideration.
Yes. So presently we are basically considering the identification part. Identification part means single leaf identification part. We are not even considering the multiple stresses in the field. So this is to identify, it will serve the purpose. For overall economic consideration, the system is not yet ready, you can say. We don't have any idea how to consider that.
Yeah, my point here is that even when the crop is more serious, we have to come across with the symptom on the few plant only. The end user, the farmer who is affected, if once the disease or pest is identified, then they should decide about the severity. If most of the plants are showing the same symptom, then they have to go for some remedial measures.
Right.
Only few plants are there, then they can be put on alert, and then any remedial measure can be adopted at a later stage.
Right.
So these are, if after the identification, if how much percentage of the crop is affected by the farmer, if it's at 10%, 5%, 20%, then accordingly some remedial measures can be.
This is a good idea, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Well taken. This is a good idea. Presently it is not there, but this is a good idea.
We can have a two-way. Then it will start acting like a DSS, disease support system.
Decision support system.
Decision support system. DSS, the decision support system.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your concern. Any other questions?
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any fruit crops which you have also included in your program?
Yes, ma'am. We are also somehow associated with CITH. We are also working with apple, and some of the fruit crops are there. Definitely, there are some fruit crops.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. If there is no other question. Yes.
Please ask if there is any query related to AI disk.
Ma'am, from my side it is complete.
Okay, sir. Okay, then thank you so much, sir. And if there is no query, we can have your doubt session after this lecture. Thank you so much, sir. You can ask if you are having any doubt relating to BLP. Priyanka, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. That one only the learning part, no? In case we are not able to upload any course content.
Ma'am, you can log in from the. Wait, you have published. I see that 2 courses you are trying to complete: veterinary science and animal husbandry, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, that 1 minute. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, I tried creating 4. I thought some mistake is there. Yeah, ma'am. That one only.
Let me check, ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
You have to add course Have you tried?
When I am trying to select the course, no, it is that cursor means it is not coming.
Wait, ma'am. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Like, ma'am, these are your courses, and from click on your course, and on courses you can add course from here, and you can select a course.
Ma'am, I am not able to select, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am. This screen is shown when you are trying.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Like, these are the courses, ma'am. You can click and wait for some time. These are the list of courses you can select.
Okay, I will wait for some time and check, ma'am. Because whenever I am trying, the drop down menu is not coming.
Ma'am, maybe net speed or processing is slow here. Like, and then you can click on add. Like, your course is shown here. And if you want it as a required course, you can select from here as a required. You can add it and you can select it as a required course. And
Okay.
And then you can assign the users from here. Like, you have assigned Jitendra. Then you can mention the date, means from which date to which date that user will read your content. Like,
Ma'am, all these things I could do. Next things I could do, ma'am. Means that other things, no, that users notification I could do everything. Only I was not able to do the courses.
okay, ma'am. You can add courses and user, then you can publish your course and then like published. Any other doubt? One participant is not submitted their feedback. Only we have received 20 feedbacks from your side. One is missing. Please ask if you are having any doubt. Otherwise, we can have 15-minute break, and then at 3:30 we'll start with our valedictory session. And in the valedictory session, Dr. S.K. Sharma sir, ADG HRM, will be the chief guest.
Dr. Madhu, am I audible?
You are audible, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून। लिंक भेज दिया था, एक बार बात कर ली सर से, डायरेक्टर सर से?
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं की सर।
इस्लाम जी ने भी नहीं करी
सर? डायरेक्टर सर तो है मीटिंग में।
सर है मीटिंग में?
हाँ यस सर।
ओके, एडीजी सर से एक बार लिंक
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड कर दो ना।
ये हट नहीं जाएगा क्या? इसको वो कर दो ना।
हम जी, यस हाँ सुदीप,
कि आप अपने ट्रैवलिंग जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं और कंफर्मेशन करके मुझे
फोन उठाइए इस्लाम जी।
सर बताएंगे भी, वो देख रहे हैं, अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
नमस्कार सर, डॉक्टर शर्मा सर नमस्कार। आई थिंक अभी ऑडियो ज्वाइन नहीं है, अभी लग रहा है उनको ऑडियो में कुछ इश्यू है, ऑडियो नहीं ज्वाइन हुआ उनका।
आई थिंक उनको अलाउ करना होगा उसके अंदर ना, ब्राउजर के अंदर ऊपर से जो आता है। हाँ, एक बार सर एग्जिट करके, अगर मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हैं तो एक बार एग्जिट करके दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। आप म्यूट पे अभी, आप सर डायरेक्टर सर आप म्यूट पे अभी।
हाँ सुदीप।
हाँ जी सर।
उनको कुछ एरर दिखा रहा है स्टार्ट शेयरिंग करने के बाद, अलाउ करने के बाद भी।
ऐसे तो आना नहीं चाहिए, एक बार एग्जिट करके दोबारा
मुझसे बात करो, तुम नंबर है ना तुम्हारे पास?
नहीं सर मेरे पास नहीं है, एक मिनट भेजेंगे, व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दीजिए सर।
भेज दिया।
हाँ जी सर।
क्या हुआ सुदीप?
सर मैंने उनको मोबाइल से ज्वाइन करने को बोला, एक मिनट, कहीं वो आईसीआर का नेटवर्क ना रोक रहा हो, कोई देख।
वही दिक्कत होगी डॉक्टर सुदीप, वहाँ पे ना वो मोबाइल से ट्राई कर सकते हैं एक बार।
लेकिन क्यों रोक रहा होगा
सर कुछ एक इश्यू आता है, हमने भी लास्ट टाइम फेस किया
तो
था।
व्हाइट लिस्ट, आप अपना व्हाइट लिस्ट क्यों नहीं कराते हो?
सर वो व्हाइट लिस्टिंग का इश्यू नहीं है, कुछ अलग इश्यू है। अग्रवाल सर के साथ भी जब हम करा रहे थे डेटा साइंस वाले,
वो भी इश्यू है, व्हाइट लिस्ट तो कुछ तो कराना पड़ेगा ना, वो तो सर्वर, उनके सर्वर को अलाउ करना पड़ेगा। मेरे को लग नहीं रहा ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हैं।
सुदीप समीर को एक बार बुला लो ना।
सर ज्वाइन भी कर पा रहे हैं, ऑडियो नहीं कनेक्ट हो रहा, ज्वाइन करके वो
ऑडियो वाला उनका वही कनेक्शन का इश्यू आ जाता है।
आ गया सर,
आ गया?
नहीं, ऑडियो तो नहीं आ रहा ना अभी भी।
सर मोबाइल वाले उसमें है, आ गया शायद,
मोबाइल वाले से आ गए ना।
सर सुन पा रहे?
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार सर, गुड आफ्टरनून।
वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू सर, सॉरी फॉर एरर।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
टेक्निकल ग्लिचेज है सर। शुरू करें सर, इजाजत है तो?
प्लीज स्टार्ट सर।
शुरू करवाइए।
Madhu ma'am, please, we'll start with the ISRI songs.
ICAR-IASRI है कृषि सांख्यिकी का संस्थान, इसमें शिक्षण और प्रशिक्षण होते नित्य नए अनुसंधान। इसमें विकसित पद्धतियों से होते हैं परीक्षणों व सर्वेक्षणों के नियोजन एवं अभिकल्पन किए जाते हैं, आंकड़ों के विश्लेषण, कंप्यूटिंग, फोरकास्टिंग होते सही आकलन, जिनसे ही दुनिया में इसकी सच्ची पहचान। ICAR-IASRI कृषि सांख्यिकी का संस्थान। कृषि वैज्ञानिकों को परामर्श देते हैं, उपयुक्त सांख्यिकी विधियों से निष्कर्ष उचित निकलते हैं, सूचना विज्ञान ज्ञान संवर्धन में सहायता करते, इनसे बनी प्रौद्योगिकियां एवं नीतियां उत्तम हो खुशहाल किसान। ICAR-IASRI कृषि सांख्यिकी का संस्थान।
Thank you ma'am. I, Dr. Sapna Nigam, on behalf of ICAR, Indian Agricultural Statistics Research Institute, welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of our training program on blended learning techniques for quality higher education online mode from 19 December to 26 December 2023. This training program was conducted through an online mode on a blended learning platform, ensuring accessibility and flexibility of our participants. As we all know, blended learning techniques offers a unique opportunity to combine traditional classroom teaching with online resources and interactive learning tools. With this, we have explored the dynamics of blended learning, modern teaching methodologies, and various digital initiatives for quality higher education developed at ICAR-IASRI. It has strengthened the skill set of our participants with theoretical and practical exposure to the narrates BLP, and they have developed the e-content in the hands-on session. With this, I would like to invite Dr. S.N. Islam sir to present a report about the training program.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected ADG HRM, Dr. S.K. Sharma sir. Respected Director IASRI, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Respected Head Computer Application, Dr. Sudeep Marwa. Nodal Officer HRM, Dr. Sini Varghese. Respected Professors, Head of Divisions who have joined for this valedictory function. All the participants, respected co-coordinators, fellow faculty, and participants. I welcome you again for this webinar function after this 7th training program on blended learning on blended learning platform. It was a 7 days training program in which 21 participants from various ICAR institutes participated. And the importance, actually, we had started this training long back. Actually, the ICAR institutes and the state agriculture universities are tied together, and we initiated this training long back, and we have done the in-house training by visiting the universities in person, and we conducted around 45 trainings there. And looking in the importance of this blended learning, which is the future of teaching, we can say, because when during the pandemic we could understand the importance of the online training, and so it was the need of the hour, and we did it very right to implement the blended learning platform in 75 state agricultural institutes and including four of our deemed to be universities. So we started this training, and fortunately the opportunity came from our HRM division, and we took the opportunity for a 1 week training program. So we started on 19th of December, in which 21 participants from various institutes joined, and they took a keen interest in doing this training program. And we had given them some assignments also, because the teaching was going to be online in future. So they were given that the practical assignment that they have to upload their own lectures, own recordings, how to do it and how to edit it, and how it is beneficial for the students. So some practical assignment was also given, and the participants very well submitted it, and they were very much satisfied with the training. So we had some questionnaires and feedbacks from the participants. So one of the most important points that we asked, that what was the environment of the environment of the training program. So 13 of the participants said that it was excellent, and 7 of them said it was very good. Our next question was that did the instructor and faculty explained well, and all of them said yes. And did the platform meet the expectation? This again said all of them yes. Satisfactory level, 10 of the participants say excellent, and 10 of the participants said it is very good. And we asked about to rate this training program. 8 of them have still rated it 10, 7 of them rated it 9, and 5 of them rated it 8. And our next question was, will the content provided alignment with your learning needs? And all of them said yes. And about the user friendliness, we asked how about the user friendliness. It was very much user friendly. This was the comment of most of the participants, and they said that it was a very much user friendly. Their decision only in 1 week they could able to understand the BLP well. Navigation and accessibility of the course was also very well. They were very much satisfied with the BLP is very good and effective platform, and they would like that their teaching would be continue with this, and there will be more. It will be more user friendly and more interactive with students if they adopt it. And course material was also easy to access. This was the comment. And the other question that was asked was which learning method, online, in person, or in discussion, which would like, which the participants would like. So most of them were favoring online, and some few of them said not only in online, but it should be, if online, then through BLP. So did the platform faster than the participants? All of them say yes, and few of them said It was very, very well done. And if anything you wanted to say, so only one participant said that is more practical hands by one participant only, and others say it was very effective and it was a very good initiative. So by seeing this, it seems that it was a very effective training, and I congratulate my co-coordinators and the fellow colleagues and scientists of the computer division who took their classes, and the technical support by the technical team of the BLP was very, very effective. That could make this training successful. So this was coming from my side, and it is back to Dr. Sapnani. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for presenting the report about the training program. Moving forward, I would like to request few of our participants to share their feedback with us. Any one of you would like to share?
First, please unmute and then speak.
Yes, I would like to share my feedback.
Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Sapna. Good afternoon to all. Respected chief guest of today's function, Dr. S.K. Sharma, ADG HRM, ICAR, Course Director, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Director IASRI, Course Coordinator, Dr. Sudeep Marwa, Course Co-Coordinators, fellow participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Sandhya Gupta, Principal Scientist, ICAR and BPGR. I am very happy to be part of the 1-week online training program on blended learning techniques for quality higher education during December 19 to 26, 2023 through the blended learning platform organized by the ICAR, Indian Agricultural Statistics Research Institute, New Delhi. I am speaking on my behalf and behalf of the participants of this training course. Through this training, we gained knowledge and skills about blended learning techniques for quality higher education. This training course enabled us to enhance our skill set in the future by combining the traditional in-class instructor-led teaching with online resources and interactive learning tools to create a more flexible learning experience. Although during the COVID period, we took our classes through Zoom or Google Meet. However, sharing the class notes and course material was possible either through email or WhatsApp. Much more difficulty was faced while taking exams and assessments. Now, we were taught how to create course modules, how to share reading materials, how to record presentations and share, how to create question papers, and how to assess the students using a blended learning platform. All these tools are very efficient and effective, and they will help us to have an effective teaching process. All the lectures and project work were very informative. First of all, our compliments to the team ISRI and associates who created this platform. We express our gratitude to the faculty, staff, and resource persons, especially Dr. Madhu, Dr. Sapna Nigam, and Dr. Akshay Dheeraj, who, to name a few, who with great patience taught us and gave us hands-on practice by going through each step again and again until we are well versed. We also thank those speakers and guest speakers for their wonderful informative lectures. We thank the course director, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, course coordinator, Dr. Sudeep Marwa, and course co-coordinators, Dr. Islam, Dr. Sapna Nigam, and Dr. Madhu, for organizing this training program and for giving us the opportunity to participate. Lastly, I thank all the participants for making this training platform lively and successful. At the end, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2024. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable feedback. Next, Dr. Ranjan, would you like to share some?
Good afternoon, respected HRM, Director Head of the Division Computer Application, and all course coordinators and all and also my fellow. Good afternoon, and I'd like to thank for giving me this wonderful opportunity to learn about this new learning platform. Across this 5 days program, I came across this and I got to learn so much about this, and I found it very simple yet effective when it comes to teaching. So where everything is included, starting from where we can share the course materials to the learners, and also assessment quiz. Each and everything was there. Whatever it is required for the teaching, it was there. I think in future it comes as a revolution income when it comes to teaching, because nowadays we are shifting from traditional teaching towards the online teaching. So I think this platform, we can put it in use, we can adopt it and make it very effective. So on my personal behalf, I would like to thank our course coordinators, especially Sapna Madam and Madhu Madam, who was with us for continuously for 5 days, and special thanks to course faculty members and the proxy, because that one day I was not able to attend that program because of we requested the proxy and didn't hesitate to repeat it again. For that I am very much thankful, and probably I would also like to thank all the guest lecturers and all the faculty members for teaching us meticulously regarding this platform, and ISRI for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Renjan. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable feedback. We are so glad to hear about your experiences, and we'll be carefully considering all your suggestions in the future. Following that, I would like to invite the Head of Division, Dr. Sudeep Marwal sir, for his valuable remarks.
Thank you, Dr. Sapna. Most honorable Chief Guest, ADG HR Dr. Sharma sir, Honorable Director ISRI, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, my fellow colleagues, Dr. Alka, Dr. Anshu, others, course coordinators, Dr. Islam, Dr. Madhu, Dr. Sapna, and dear participants. Indeed, it's a great moment and a very satisfying moment that all of you have completed your 1-week training program on blended learning platform. In fact, we are just now connected on blended learning platform itself to have this valedictory session itself. And throughout these 7 days, I believe, and as per your feedback, that all of you are now able to use this blended learning platform for all your academic activities. And in between also I interacted with all the participants, and during that also I insisted to use all the facilities and start doing by your own way, for your own projects, for your own classes, making lessons, uploading videos, etc. So I am happy that all of you have learned use this particular platform, and in future also you will continue to use it for your all academic purposes. And sooner we will be able to make it 100%. I will say use in our daily lives. That means for uploading videos, contents, etc. before each class, not optionally but mandatorily, and thereby allowing our students to access the blended learning platform before they go to the class and use it in a proper way. With these words, again I like to thank each one of you for participating in this training program and successfully completing it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Dr. Sini Varghese ma'am, HRD Nodal Officer, to share her remarks with us.
Namaste, respected ADG sir, Director sir, Dr. Sudeep, Dr. Alka, coordinators, Dr. Islam, Dr. Sapna and Ms. Madhu, faculty members and dear participants. So today we have completed one program successfully out of the 4. So 1/4 of the work is done in 2 sense. We can say for this particular training program, if what is to be done or how it is to be done is taught to you. Now the big portion is remaining from your side at your end, and in another sense we have 3 more such training programs lined up. So every alternate week, next to next week, another program will be there on digital competency. Then there is another one on recent advances on data analysis and e-governance tools on early February, we can say. So that is our last training program under HRM. So COVID taught us many things, and rest of the things, whatever is required, is taught by the talented faculty here. So just continue with the enthusiasm and do whatever is required from your side. And from the feedback, it can be seen that the participants are well satisfied by the expert faculty members, whatever they have delivered. So just follow it up and keep in touch with them and complete the work in a very positive manner for the future generation. Congratulations all of you, to the organizers as well as the attendees. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to warmly invite Dr. Rajendra Prasad sir, Director ICAR-IASRI, to share some of his thoughts and insights with us. Sir, आप mute हैं.
Thank you, Dr. Sapna. Honorable Dr. S.K. Sharma ji, ADG HRM, and a very old colleague and friend in the realm of education. My colleagues, Dr. Sudeep, Dr. Sinni, Dr. Alka, Dr. Islam, Dr. Madhu, Dr. Sapna, other faculty members, and most importantly, the 21 participants of this training program on National Agriculture Research and Education System Blended Learning Platform. On behalf of ICAR-IASRI family, we extend a very warm welcome to our ADG, who is also in charge ADG for the institute. Sir, welcome you. And I think this is the first formal program in which we are have invited you. We hope that it would have been a physical training program, but nonetheless, we are meeting online in a program being headed by your unit itself, that is HRM. We have been assigned 4 training programs this year, and this is the first one which we are conducting. We started on 19th December and concluding today, or in other words, let me say that beginning is being made today, because 7 days we have interacted. Now real working will start on the blended learning platform, as has been seen by the enthusiasm shown by the participants. Next year, January, February, several other training programs are also lined up. Sir, just because you are looking after human resource and capacity building, on 2nd January, we are starting with another CAPT program. Then on 23rd January, 24th January, there will be another, and 13th February, there will be another. There are 3 CAP programs which are lined up in sequence, and along with them, simultaneously, parallelly, we'll be conducting 3 training programs under HRM besides other capacity building programs. Last year, as you see that this year, particularly 2023, we have conducted many training programs, and particularly, I would like to pay emphasis on 45 sensitization programs that had been conducted across universities on blended learning platform. Basically, our aim was to complete it for all the 74, but due to paucity of time, we could complete 45, and I think by March we will be completing all the 74 universities where BLP has been provided. Along with these sensitization programs, we have also covered virtual reality experience centers and the all virtual reality modules which we have created. And a idea has been given for artificial intelligence disease identification system for crops. To the participants, I would like to say that this institute is a unique and premier institute in the area of statistical sciences. When I say statistical sciences, it covers agricultural statistics, computer application, and bioinformatics, and we are leader in these 3 disciplines across the globe. We are a kind of institution where 121 researchers of these 3 disciplines work together at one place. Otherwise, you don't find such a large faculty at one place. And under NHEP, this initiative of NHEP Component 2 and RISE, Resilient Agriculture Education System, has provided us an opportunity to establish virtual classroom, virtual reality experience centers, and then blended learning platform, along with academic management system for all the universities. As I always do, again I will repeat and request the participants that we have a Kisan 2.0, which is a aggregator mobile app of all the mobile apps developed in the National Agriculture Research and Education System, and it provides a search in 11 different languages. Its interface is in 11 different languages. AI disk, where just a photo is taken in the natural background and able to identify 50 diseases of 19 crops. Kindly download and make it popular among your colleagues and the stakeholders. And also, huge, huge and huge. That is the only possibility of making this blended learning platform a success and traditional and virtual learning mixture a reality. With these words, one more thing I would like to request the participants that ISRI is putting several information on our social media. Maybe it is Facebook, maybe it is X, maybe it is Instagram. Therefore, my request to the coordinators that kindly share our Facebook, all social media links with all the colleagues in the training program, and at least half a day in future training programs should be shown on our social media reach. And my request to the participants is kindly like and visit those pages regularly. A lot of information, whatever new developments are taking place, we are sharing on those platforms. With these words, I would like to congratulate the participants for this training program and wish that whatever interaction has held, this will continue for further strengthening of blended learning platform. I wish you all the success in your personal and professional endeavors, and I also would like to wish you all a very happy, healthy and wishful 2024. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your perspective adds a valuable dimension to our learning. Thank you. With this, now the presence of our chief guest, Dr. S.K. Sharma, sir, ADG HRM, adds immense prestige to the valedictory ceremony of this training program. And we are truly privileged to have you, sir, here. May I request you to kindly grace us with your valuable insights? Sir.
Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Respected Director, IASRI, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, HRD Nodal Officer, Dr. Srini Varghese, our course coordinator, Dr. Sudeep Marwa ji, the Head Department of Computer Application, Dr. Anju Bharadwaj, Dr. Alka Arora, and course coordinators, Dr. Sapna, Dr. Hasan Islam, and Dr. Madhu, and all dear participants. At the outset, I extend my hearty compliments to our course director and the director ISRI, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, for taking a very befitting and the most wanted topic in the present era. And because today we are talking about the literacy as well as the now e-literacy. Now nobody is talking about the simple literacy. Now everybody is talking even in the official jargon, we are talking about the e-literacy. So myself even I can say I am a little bit illiterate, but I am not e-competent, not digitally competent. But with that respect, the kind of the blended learning tactics for quality higher education becomes very important in improving the quality of higher education in our country. And already I extend my compliments, the best wishes to our participants who joined this particular training program, because they are very fortunate and lucky. Because ISRI is the very premium and the most important institute of the country, which is responsible as well as the harbinger for the digital revolution in Indian agriculture higher education system. I compliment Director ISRI because in the 5 days ago there was a review meeting for ISRI, and the kind of the compliments the whole ISRI director sir, whole team, Dr. Sudeep Marwa, Anju Bharadwaj, all team, all members they received from the IS authority, it is really remarkable. It shows the kind of the commitment and efforts and the dedication of the team. I remember that when the National Mission on Education through ICT was started in 2009, it was the beginning of the systematic program in our country for the digitization of our education system. And now we hear that from even school education, Diksha is there, and now everything is coming on that portal. We are learning, and every day it has become a common parlance Diksha. And likewise, the ISRI is the harbinger for the Agri Diksha in the agriculture higher education system. And the broader root of that data center to the Krishi Meg, it is again applause goes to our ISRI. So ISRI being the premier institute of the ICR, now it is heading the digitalization as well as the blended learning programs throughout the higher agriculture education system in the country. I know I have been the part of this e-courses at the ICR platform under the NAIP through the ISRI itself. Way back, I think where the number of PG courses and the UG courses are already uploaded on this particular NAIP program under E-Krishi Siksha program by the ISRI. So this is really the kind of the competency ISRI is having, and the global wisdom our learned scientists and experts are having. And I was going through the all this content of the different lecture schedule through the 7 days training program. It is really beautifully interwoven, taking the concepts, pedagogy, then how the virtual reality, virtual classrooms, then virtual reality, extended reality, mixed reality, and how the extended learning platform, blended learning methods, different type of blended learning, and the most talked about by our director sir as well as the DD sir is the flip model of the this blended learning program, where mixing of the face-to-face classroom teaching with the online content sharing, and then again clearing the doubts of the students during the physical mode of the training. This is the most successful model, and ISRI has shown it. Sir, your efforts really has revitalized even the higher agriculture education system in the all SAUs in the country, because the kind of the training program, capacity building, which is the need of the hour, it has given a kind of the inspiration and encouragement to the all faculty members throughout the country in the SAUs, and because of your efforts, number of courses are being benefited by to have the agriculture is located remotely in remote areas. It is affordable to him. It is including the all students who are not able to pay much for the higher textbooks. Even it is providing the better competency and the employment opportunities to our students after learning all these things. They are better placed, and the real thing that it is improving the quality of the higher education system, because it is providing the personalized learning system as well as the clarity of the courses, the content delivery, as well as where the typical points are there. Students can learn through the downloading the videos, gamification, and other things. It can be said online, and then some doubts can be cleared on the physical mode by the teacher in the class, face-to-face classroom teaching. So right way from this, the Digital India, that mission which was started in the 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister in July 2015. So ISRI is taking this particular torch ahead through the ICR, making all institutes very much aware of what is Digital India, what is digital initiative. And the culmination occurred when the international conference on the blended learning was really organized by your institutes. And it came into I know that I was the part of this international conference as a participant. And the declaration and the manifesto, which gives the emphasis that the digital competency, the digital content, the kind of the digital capacity initiatives which have been taken by the ISR, it is the need of the hour. And if a teacher wants to become a competent teacher in nowadays in the digital era, he must be aware of all the digital initiatives. And important part is the blended learning. And if you are the teacher and if you want to be a good teacher, you must be expert into the all kind of the tools, applications part, as well as the content delivery, interactive tools regarding the blended learning. Then only we can recognize ourselves, and a student will then only know that really you are a good teacher. So to be a good teacher nowadays, one must be aware of the concept of what are the different types of learning. We can create the content, share the content, and can learn the different advancements in our subjects, in the other subjects. Because now the point is that we want to reduce I will fortunate to become so many things from this coordinators. Kindly include me as a participant. I will be happy, because these are the things which are very essential for